Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today we're going to do an assembly of the OM Seating Paramount Petite chair. For more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media because we have a ton of exclusive content and behind the scenes from BTOD.com. Now let's get into the assembly. Place the base on the floor. Insert wider end of the cylinder into the hole at the center of the base. Lower chair top snugly onto the top end of the cylinder. Next, you will add the arms. Make sure the curved part of the arm cap is facing towards the front of the chair. Hold down the width adjustment lever and slide it into place. Sit fully into the seat and adjust to desired height. And that was the assembly of the OM Seating Paramount Petite chair. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.